What's good, guys? It's your boy Anthony here, back at it with another awesome video. Just getting the flow of uploading these awesome videos for you guys. So today, guys, I got something super exciting. So I haven't done a drone video in a long time, and this is the Syma Sky Phantom FPV drone. It literally just looks awesome. So I actually picked this thing up for 30 bucks at Costco. If you guys want to get it, there's a link down in the description. Yeah, some of the main features it has are just really standard, like 360 flips, auto land. But the coolest thing, it's 30 bucks. It also has a camera, but also you can control it from a mobile app. So that's really cool. So let's check it out. All right, guys, we gotta do this, the normal Anthony way. We gotta tear off this plastic here. Yeah. Yes. All right, guys, tore the plastic here. Let's open this drone up and check it out. Oh my gosh, showing you guys everything here. Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, bam, bam, bop. Bada bop, boom, pow.
Oh! This is the thing that actually holds your phone in place. And we got 2 LiPo batteries. I mean, this is nuts. Like, I'm super excited to try out a drone that is actually like 30 bucks and it has a camera and a real-time feed for that camera. All right, boom. Come on. Yeah. All right, so here's the first part. Here's the controller. We got the propellers in here, the batteries, and like the USB charging cord. Oh yeah, so here's the batteries, bro. Those are actually really interesting batteries. I've never seen batteries like that before. We got the propellers. Here we got the clip for your phone, and inside here's the drone. I will get some scissors to cut these zip ties out. Be right back, boys. Alright, guys, so now I got the scissors. Kids, always be safe near scissors. Hold them like this, right? No. Safety tips here from Anthony. Alright, so now we're gonna cut the zip ties. Boom! There's one. There's only two. Yes! Alright, guys, we cut off the second zip tie. I'm gonna fold these scissors up, put them right there. Alright, let's get all this junk out of here. We don't need that. That's not what we're looking at. We're looking at this drone, and I'm super hyped. Alright, guys, so it turns out I don't have well, I do have one. I just don't know what it is. I don't have a small screwdriver for me right now, so better yet, we're gonna use a knife. Even more careful, kids. Be careful around knives. Safety tips number 2. Alright, there we go, boys! Alright, we got 1 AA, 2 AA, 3 AA, 4 AA. Alright, so now we're gonna put the screw back in the controller. We're gonna tighten this entire thing up, and we're gonna take this drone for a little flight. Alright, there we go, guys. Make sure, let's put this side too. Alright, so now we got the phone controller here. Looks like this just goes in there like this. Alright, booyah, there we go, boys. Alright, so that's actually that seems like it'd be a really tight clip. Got my smartphone right here. Okay, it's nice and rubber padded. Okay, so that's actually pretty dope. Look at that, guys. That's actually really cool. I actually already installed the Syma drone app. Boom. Alright, let's turn on our drone. Yeah. Battery doesn't. Boom, we got the battery in. Okay, you hold it down there, boys. Alright, I actually don't know what we did to pair it up. Alright, let's go back to the owner's manual. Before I threw it. Alright, guys, so I turned it back on. I think it's working now. I'm gonna try it again. It's working. It's working, guys. It's working. Alright, let's do this stuff while I fly. Can I fly this $30 drone? Super hype, guys. Alright. Oh! I think I just did something wrong. I don't know. I don't even know what I did! Oh no. Ah! Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, actually, it's actually running pretty smooth. It actually holds pretty steady. It doesn't turn very well though. It does not turn well at all. Look at that. So I'm like pulling it all the way. And that's not as far as it's turning. Another one on me! See if we can land it. Land it. Come on, boy, land it. Yeah, your boy just landed the drone on the table, I think, for the first time. Yes! Okay, guys, so far my impressions of this, it's actually pretty cool. It's actually really cool. Now, I am going to be making a second video where I fly with the mobile app. So if you guys aren't already subscribed and have those notifications on, guys, please do that right now. It just supports this channel, and you guys get to see some of the best content on YouTube. And if you guys want a notification shout, just let me know, hashtag notification squad in the comments. Alright, I'm gonna fly this drone. Alright, here we go, guys. Yeah! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Get back here! Oh no, 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 no!
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, just landed on the table again. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see more awesome content like this, Christmas coming up, tons of toy reviews coming up, a lot of tech reviews too with the new iPhone XR. If you guys want to see content like this, make sure you guys drop a sub, turn those notifications on, and let me know, hashtag notification squad in the comments, and I will give you a notification shout out in the next video. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Until next time, peace!